Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here two popular wearables. We have the latest, the Realme Watch 5 smartwatch, and the other one is the Redmi Watch 5 Active, an affordable smartwatch that is also very popular among smartwatch fans. On this video, we are going to compare the two smartwatches. We'll focus on the design, its dimension, the specs, and the UI. So if you are interested to see the difference between the Realme Watch 5 versus the Redmi Watch 5 Active, watch this video. And again, if you find this video useful, support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's start and compare the wearables. Let's go first with the packaging. Both do have a simple, compact box. We do have a preview here of the smartwatch, as the same with our Redmi Watch 5 Active. On the side, we do have some details and specs. And at the back, we do have some information about the smartwatch and the manufacturing details. Simple, light, although as you can see here, they don't look premium when it comes to packaging. Just a simple, compact packaging for both smartwatches. And when it comes to the design, we have here the wearables. Both do have a PC material, and again, both do have a pogo pin for its charging cable, and a user manual. Compact, lightweight wearable. Let's see for the size here. Very obvious, the Active do have a much bigger body frame, especially on the length. The width is almost the same, as well as the thickness. On the side, the Realme do have a crown button here and a speaker. For our Watch Active, we do have a physical power on and off button. It also serves as a home button. At the back, we do have a PC material as a back cover, and we have a power charging connector here and a sensor. Both do have a 22mm strap. Let's confirm this one. Let's see. Yes, I think, yes, it's 22mm strap with a quick release pin. But I like the strap here of the Realme, much easier to attach compared to this strap of the Redmi Watch 5 Active. Again, when it comes to the screen display, as you can see here, both do have a bright, sharp screen. Later on, I'm going to check out we will show the specifications for the screen display. Both do have the sporty look. This one's simple, fashionable design, while for the Realme Watch 5, we do have somewhat like a Watch Ultra type look. So which do you think is better in terms of the design here? Again, for the size, the length of the Redmi Watch 5 Active is much longer to the Realme Watch 5. And talking about the size, let's have the dimension. We have 49. The other one, 46 or 47. 46. But if you're going to measure on the center frame, it's around 46 or 47 and 49. 2mm difference. So that's big. Then for the width here, without the power button, it is 40.7. 40, it's almost the same, 40.6. Okay, so when it comes to the width, they're almost the same. For the thickness here, let's go for our Redmi Watch 5. It is 11.5. The other one, it is 11.9. Okay, so sticker for our Realme Watch 5 compared to the Redmi Watch 5 Active. Again, for the design, let's have a closer look. So very huge difference when it comes to the design, very different. In terms of weight, let's go first with our Realme Watch 5. We have 00 here. So it is 52. For our Redmi Watch 5 Active, we have 44. Lightweight compared to our Redmi, or compared to our Realme Watch 5, it is around 52. Redmi Watch 5 Active, it is around 44. Okay, so that's it for the dimension and the weight. Next, let's check out the specifications of both smartwatches. Okay, let's align this first. Okay, we'll have the Realme Watch 5 first. We have a 1.97 inch AMOLED screen display, while for our Redmi Watch 5 Active, we have 2-inch LCD. It's bigger, but it's only LCD. Here we do have a premium screen display, AMOLED, but much smaller, 1.97. For the pixel resolution, 390 by 450 pixel resolution, 320 by 385. Both do have a Bluetooth 5.3. You can check out on the side. Okay, I will put it here on both sides. We have built-in GPS for our Realme Watch 5. We don't have a built-in GPS for the Redmi Watch 5 Active. 14 days battery life, 18 days battery life. IP68 waterproof rated. We have 5 ATM waterproof. So the Realme Watch 5 is using the Realme Link app, while for the Redmi Watch 5 Active, it is using the Mi Fitness application. For the complete specs, you can check it here. Next, let's have the UI. For the UI, on top we have notifications, so it's a different setup here. On the bottom part here, we have notifications. Here we have the settings. We have the dashboard here. For our Realme Watch 5, we have, yes, almost the same style here. Then widgets, but I like the layout here of the Redmi Watch 5 Active compared to the Realme Watch 5. To access the main menu, just press the power button, and we have here the different menus and features. We'll check on this, on the difference with when it comes to the menus and features, on our second video for the comparison of the Realme Watch 5 smartwatch versus the Realme Watch 5 smartwatch versus the Redmi Watch 5 Active. So we have a rotary function here. This one, home and power button only. Okay, so that's it. If you have any questions regarding the comparison review of the Realme Watch 5 Active versus the Redmi Watch 5, or the Realme Watch 5, okay, versus the Redmi Watch 5 Active, drop a comment below, and of course like, share, and subscribe.